Okay, so on this problem, they're giving us this formula right here. Let me write it like it'll look on your screen. Square root of 2.4r. Okay, so they're telling us, what are they saying? They are saying a highway crew measures the radius of curvature of an exit ramp on a highway as 530 feet. So the radius of curvature is r. So that's saying r is 530. So they're saying r is 530. You know, if you read the whole question, the formula, v equals square root of 2.4r, models the maximum safe speed v in miles per hour, v for velocity in miles per hour, at which a car can travel on a curved road with radius of curvature r. So basically, if r is the radius of curvature, like the radius for the curve, you know what I mean? Like, you remember what a radius is for if you have a circle, the radius is how far from the middle to the edge. That's the radius. So if you have a part of a curve, like you have a highway that goes straight for all the curves, well, if you imagine making that curve into a whole circle, and then there's the radius of that curve. So the radius of curvature, and basically if you plug that in, you can find the velocity, the maximum safe speed that a person can drive on that curve. That's how they calculate these things for highways. So we just take that 530 and plug it in. So it'll be 2.4 times 530. That's all inside of a square root. So you have to square root that on your calculator. I'm going to do that. So square root of 2.4 times 530. I'm getting a 35.665. And notice they say on this one, interesting thing here. They say, round your answer down. So let's round down to 35, right? So the maximum safe speed would be 35 miles per hour. Why would we round down? Well, because the max safe speed is 35.665. If we said 36, then that wouldn't be safe because that's higher than 35. Does that make sense? You might say, well, this round's closer to 36, Mr. Aaron. Why don't we say 36? Well, because we want the maximum safe. So that means we have to round down, right? If you round up, it's not going to be safe, right? The fastest you can go safely is 35.6. So if you go faster than that, that's not safe. You got to round down to be the maximum safe speed. So there we go.